To be honest, I was talking about it in work to quite a number of the staff because I was having Botox elsewhere, and I wasn't really very happy with what was happening. So one of the girls said to me at work, well, try Emma Chan, she's fantastic at it. So that's what I did. I had the Botox treatment, the relaxants, all around my forehead, around my eyes, and in between, all over the nose. Before Emma did any treatments for me, she took pictures of me before and after. And then when I came back for a top-up, the very first time I had my treatment, she took more pictures so that she could show me the differences, you know, all the way through the treatments. The results were absolutely fantastic. There was just no lines on my face. 100% better. It felt better. It looked better. Brilliant, yeah. I just don't want to age. I know it's silly because inside of you does, but I feel young, so I want to look young, and you get the best results from Emma.
I was getting to that age where I was looking at something to perk me up. It was when I was turning 40 that I thought, I've got, you know, a few little wrinkles there that I could like nip in the bud. So I thought, well, when I turned 40, that was it. And that's the reason I was looking into Botox.
Hi, Jackie. You alright? Yeah, good, thanks.
A friend of mine actually recommended Emma. She'd had Botox and she was absolutely delighted with it, and she didn't look frozen, or she had, you know, she still had, her face still moved naturally and she looked natural, and that's what I wanted. She was so down to earth. It wasn't like a treatment, it was like just meeting a new friend, really. She was very, very welcoming and very, very polite, very polite. I couldn't fault her, I'd like her to be my friend. Very pleased with my results. Nobody actually said to me, wow, what have I done? Nobody actually said anything, they just said, oh, you're looking a bit good, you know. I would totally recommend Emma, I would sell Emma. She's wonderful, she does a great job.
I looked into it sort of onto the internet just because I wanted to have like filler done in my cheeks, just where I can see a bit of a crease, where it made me look a little bit gaunt. So the filler just kind of plumps up my cheeks a little bit and just gives me a bit more fullness in them. Before Emma, I did go to somebody else, but I wasn't really pleased with the results. I bruised quite easily, and I had a black eye for a while. It was awful. She was screaming for me to grab an ice pack, for someone to grab an ice pack for her, and had this ice pack. She shouted that I was bleeding. I thought, oh, what has she done to my face? I was so scared. It really hurt when she did it, and afterwards I had loads of sort of red dots where you could see that she'd gone in, and a big sort of bruise around my eye. So like everyone was kind of giving me a bit like funny looks, like, oh, is she all right? Has she been punched? You know, so, and I had to keep covering it up with makeup, and it lasted for about a week to 10 days. So that's when I found Emma to do the treatment for me. Emma went through a consultation with me. There was sort of no obligation to have it done there and then. I could think about it because Emma's been an A&E nurse. I felt in safe hands. She's got a lovely clinic here, she sets up really well, she goes through a full consultation with you. She told me all about the treatment and what it involved. She didn't try to sell me anything else or try to pretend it was something it wasn't. She made everything, you know, go through everything really simply and easily, really. So I decided to have it done after the consultation. We took some pictures before, and then she showed me afterwards, and just looking in the mirror straight away I could feel a difference and see it. And I said to her, you don't hurt. Like, I thought, you know, I was bracing myself for it because I was used to having somebody else do it. But when Emma does it, you just see the great results straight away without any soreness or bruising. And I wouldn't go to anyone else now, definitely. If Emma moved, I'd travel, I'd just follow her. So I'd always have it done with Emma now, I wouldn't go anywhere else.